I'm just telling you. All right, you trader nerds. Sorry we had to go a little early today, but I've got a Christmas party at my old workplace. So I'm excited for that and thought we'd play a little Christmas song there. So the market is up 0.13%. It's a nothing day so far. Look, the overnight high was here pre-market. We'll probably go back to the overnight high, and I would imagine that we're going to have a range day that we have 80% of the time. The AD is ticking upward. VIX is at 12, a little higher than it was yesterday. It was 1203 yesterday. It's 1227 today. And we've got good volume. So nothing to see here and probably nothing to see in the big green monster, but we'll go check it out. Big green monster looks like, if we can tell. Okay, so we're getting a little stretch in the big green monster. 4704 was the high. Remember, a lot of times when we hit these high numbers, it'll bounce off of them and come back, and it'll bounce and bounce before we take it out. But we will take it out, no doubt. And we are going, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of time before we go to the 4827. So, yeah, point of control is here. So it may as well explore some of these areas as well. But we are going up at some point. All right. So let's see. What do we want to do? Let's look at our accounts today. Let's look at the Crimson account first. All right, let's do Crimson first. I said, let's do Crimson first. Nothing's working here. Crimson. See how much money we got in this little account. Come on, baby, be up today. 23,043. 23,043. So that's this one. 23. Oh, yeah. 23,043. Burn, theta, burn, Rico. Take these off so it just shows my open trades, but doesn't look like anything that we need to manage. So everything looks really good. Nothing to manage there. Let's see our Greeks and ratios are. This is like surgery, y'all. You do it every day. 1817. 1817. That was a good year right here. 1817. And the VIX is at 12. And our buying pair is a measly $5,300. Oh my gosh. Something must have closed or something. What is that? 23%. We don't have enough theta in the tank, ladies and gentlemen. What do you say? Let's put on a trade. All right, so let's go over here. That's how you know to put on a trade, y'all. Go to macros and macros. We don't know put a biggie on. Because we don't like really putting these things on the market on the days when the market's up. But, you know, you got to do what you got to do. 128 days. We'll go to the 5% probability being in the money. So we can probably get away with doing a 3,900 here. Let's do the 3,900. Let's bump that up to 16. There we go. 3,900 at 16. There we go. 39 at 16. 128 days. $16. What do we say? 3,900. Getting up there, y'all. Micros. We did 2 contracts of those. We'll call that naked put 104. I like looking at the accounts every 2 days instead of every day. It's just got me, I'm spoiled to it now. You know, you can look at it once or twice a week if you want to. Every day is fine. 23. There we go. Okay. So took in $157 of credit. Let's go ahead and get our put debit spread ready to go. We'll do 1 contract there, PDS 104, and probably going to be around that 4450, 4400 again. Let's see. So about a 24 delta, 24, 25. Let's see what we can do the 4550, 4500 for. If it's over 10, I'm not going to do it. Okay. See if we can get that again. 950. Come here, little feller. Come here, little feller. Y'all, what is life good or what? I mean, don't y'all just enjoy life? Isn't it great? You wake up every day and you're like, life is good. And think about it, y'all. We could be a rock right now, but we're not. We're human beings. What am I doing? Oh, that was here. Here we go. Cancel replace. Let's bump that up to about 990. See if we can get filled here. There we go. We're in at 980, baby. 980 for the 4550, 4500. 980, 4550, 4500. What'd I say? 950? Whoever designed this spreadsheet must be a genius. I could, if I had to do it over again, I don't think I could. I think I'd just give up. I'd be like, forget it. I just keep it on a notebook paper. There we go. All right. So there we are in and done. So let's close this little one out. Y'all want to do the let's do the little IRA over here. No, it's not an IRA. This is a margin account. Let's see. What the crap is this? Why have I got so many of them? Hold on. If I can remember the password. Oh, crap. Look at this, y'all. We are kicking it, y'all. Kicking it. So let's see what we're doing over here. Let's see. I gotta remember which one we're doing. I don't care about that. I want to know. Got too many accounts here. Let's do this one here. So we are at 41,866. 41,866. 41,866. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
And I gotta remember which one that is. So we are at we are at 2063. Pretty sure that's the one. 2063. Make sure that's right. Yeah, 2063. Oh, I got too many to keep up with. 2063. And we're VIX is at 12. Wow, so we look really good on our data, y'all. Very nice. Let's see how the buying power that we're using is 26,574. 26,574. Life is a rock, but the radio rolled me. I like that. 26. Is that right? Oh, I forgot. I don't need to count the bill, and I've been doing bill in this one. So hold on. Let's see. This is the one we're looking at. So we got to go to positions. Okay. So we just want the positions on this one. Here we go. So our ES positions are 88, say $8,900. What the crap is that? $8,900. Darn it. Dang nabbit. Crap. $8,900. Here we go. All right, so y'all, look at this. Our theta is good and our buying power is nothing. I don't say we do anything. Just leave it at 63. It's a nice theta. And why don't we go back and buy some more bill? You want to? So we're trading this account. Let's buy some more bill. So let's get us in another 100 contracts of bill. That puts us at 64%. Wow. Let's do some more. Let's do another one. There we go. 70%, 75%. Let's do it one more time. There we go. 75%. Good. 81%. You want to do it one more time? That's fun. Hitting the buttons and hearing the little ding ding. I like the ding ding. All right. 81% buying power, but we got a ton of bill in there now. So good. Aha. I like the ding ding. Okay. Let's see. What do we do now? Okay, so now let's look at the AIM spreadsheet just because it's kind of cool. It's our new little toy that we're playing with. So in the AIM account, we started out at, our net lit started out at 104,226 2 days ago, 104,226. And today we are at 104,226. We are at, hold on. 106,761, y'all. Look at us. We've already made like almost $3,000. Isn't that great? I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so let's go to the $450,000 account. Well, it's not 450 anymore, y'all. It's 455,819. Rough. 455,819. Let's close this one. And let's get the mega up there. 455,819. 455,819. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Beautiful, y'all. So in a month, and we're not even fully listed, we started trading on the 8th, and we have up $5,768. That looks good. So let's see our Greeks and ratios over here. Yep. So our Greeks and ratios over here were 125, 120. 125, 120. 120. Dix is at 12. And our buying power, remember, we got a lot of bill in this one, y'all. So we're using 97% of our buying power over here, right? So, we are at buying power. Let's see, positions. We are at 52,667. I'm gonna do 667. 52,667. 52,667. All right. Now, in this account, here's what I've been doing. We've been doing scheduled trades. We've not been looking at the ratios and stuff. We're just doing scheduled trades. So I think I figured it out that if I do one tranche one week and two tranches the next week, that works pretty good. So last time I did one tranche. The week before that, I did two tranches, one tranche, two tranches, one tranche. So it's time for us to do two tranches today. Okay. So let's just do our scheduled trade. So we'll do ES. And we'll do ES for our put debit spread. And we're going to do 4-2 today. So that's two tranches, right? And we're going to call this NP 6 and PDS 6. 6. There we go. Just fill these stuff out. It's a debit spread. It's 128, 12. I'm going backwards. I'm putting them in before I do it actually. Puts. This is a naked 128, 12, 13, 23. Okay, so let's go put this in a trade at the 128 days. Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna probably have to sell some of our bill, aren't I? Because I've got too much buying power in here. But let's do our put debit spread first, because that'll give us buying power relief. And let's go to E-minis. And let's go to that 128 days right here. And what did we do it in the other one at? We did it at 4,550, 4,500. So let's try to do that. 4,550, 4,500 at 960. And let's do two contracts of that. So let's move this up to about 970. See if we can get a feel. There we are, baby. So that took us in a fill. Let's see, what did we get filled for? 970. Okay. So let's put that in. 970. And 4,550, 4,500. Okay. Now let's see how much buying power this is going to take for our neckies and see how much money we got to get us some buying power relief. Let's see if I can do this. So go back to the E-minis trade, and we're going to do 128 days again. I love the E-minis better than the micros if you can do it, simply because we've got, look at all these expirations. If we had to roll, you got a lot more expirations. So 128, we said about the 3,900, right? So if we were to do, let's do the 3,850. 3,850, 1,475. And if we did 1, 2, 3, 4, that's going to take $24,000 of buying power, right? And account does not have efficient buying power for this order. So let's see if we can close it up and get some immediate relief. Hopefully we can. So it's going to take us $2,400. All right. So in our buying power, option buying power is only 14,000. So let's go to positions and let's go to bill and let's close some positions. Close position. So let's say we're going to close. If we close 100, how much does that give us? Buying power relief. Buying power relief gives us 9,000. So that'd be 23. So we got to at least do 200, right?
I think you need about 150, Bobby.
About 150. Thank you, Ed. Let's do 150. 13,000. That should do it, right, Ed?
Yeah, I think so.
Ed, you back from Disney World now. How was the mouse? Did y'all ever get to feed him better?
Well, the mouse was fine, but the missus and I were sick about 70% of the time with the flu. So,
Oh, that's not good, Ed.
yeah, you know.
Ed, send me your address and I will send you a Blossom Possum book for your granddaughter.
I will happily do that. I already did the digital version, but I'll be happy to get your
Yeah.
hard copy, sir.
Everybody
Thank you.
if you want it for Christmas, y'all, for your little kids, you want to teach them to save and to spend responsibly and give money, sweetbobby.com. Go get you a book. Yeah, send that, Ed.
It's
and I'll get you-
productive. It's a productive and playful little book.
Yeah, thank you, Ed. I appreciate that. All right, so we do the e-minis here and see. I thought I had to order in. I guess it's gone. 128. So we should have enough money to do this. Ed, thank you for doing that. It's good having Ed in here. I was thinking about Ed yesterday, as a matter of fact, and Ed was thinking to me. He sent me a text out of the blue. I was like, I am somebody. I just got a text from Notional Ed.
Well, I was out of town, and sometimes our schedules don't meet up, and
Ed, you're a busy man.
I'm happy to be in when I can.
Well, we're always glad that you're here, Ed.
Thank you. Thank
Oh
you.
man, that ain't gonna fail. So let's go back and bump it down a little bit. 1450. Let's do that. Uh-oh. Camp does not have sufficient buying power. Uh-oh, did I already get filled? Let's see. Ed, it let me do the first order. Why would it not let me do it now? Let's see. Let me see if I can get this thing. Activity, working, field.
I didn't totally follow, so I don't know.
Let's see. Well, let's see.
I'm also on the tiny screen. Yeah.
It looks like it didn't replace this. Let's just cancel that order. All right, cancel it. And then there's my buying power. So I got enough buying power. Let's go again. I'll bump it down a little bit. Let me say 128. 128. We said the 3850. So we're going to try it in 40, 50, 2, 3, 4. So that 24, 7, 12. We've got enough buying power for that. Okay, now it filled. All right, good. So activity, we got filled at 1450. Yeah. The 3850s for 1450. 3850 for 1450. 3850 for 1450. Beautiful. That's how you do it, y'all. Okay. Good day of trading. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Hey, well, somebody, since I'm heading to Atlanta, someone post in there that we've already had our session today, and I'll post this later today. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.